Hello, my name is Sylvester, and today I'd like to show you a beautiful spot called Fayetteville. Whether you want to unwind, connect with nature, or simply find some serenity, this lake provides a tranquil respite from the rush and bustle of everyday life. In our hectic lives, it's critical to take time to reconnect with nature, to find that sense of calm and clarity. Today, I'd want to show you how a simple day at the lake can rejuvenate your mind and spirit. Walking down the route, you can almost feel the stress melting away with each step. The rustles of the leaves underfoot and the cold morning wind set the tone for a relaxing day. Out on the lake, everything slows down. It's just you, the kayak, and the soothing embrace of the lake. This is where you may really immerse yourself in the moment. A simple lunch by the sea, with only the sound of the ocean and the odd call of a bird, reminds you that sometimes less is more. Lake Fayetteville is more than simply a lovely sight. It's a place to discover calm and reconnect with yourself. I hope this insight into my day inspires you to discover your own moments of peace, no matter where you are. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information about finding serenity in everyday life. Also, let me know in the comments what your favorite place to decompress is.